Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Today we are going to be showing you how to replace the key fob battery on your Mustang. So here's what the key fob looks like on your Mustang or any of the Ford vehicles. It might be a little bit different. If you got a stick shift, you might not have the remote start, or you might have a Ford logo if you have a different Ford vehicle, but this will be applicable for the Mustang or any other Ford vehicles. So if you're finding yourself the range has kind of dropped on your key fob or just plainly not working, we're going to show you how to replace the key fob battery on your Mustang. This is going to be the same for the S550 Mustang, whether you've got a 2015 or a 2023. So anything in between is going to be the same process. Now, before I show you that, I do want to show you something real quick in case we're actually stuck right now. I will show you how to get into the car and start the car so you can go ahead and get the batteries later. So if you come up to the door handle on your driver's side, right underneath you can see there's this hole right here. So if you can pry this open, you will be able to take this piece off, and there's a manual key slot in there. Once you get the manual key slot out and insert the manual key, you should be able to get in and unlock the door, and then you can basically go ahead and start the car. There is a secret compartment right here where if you remove the cup holder lining over here, you can see this little slot over there. So if you put your key fob in there, it lets the computer know that there's a key fob within the range. It's going to let you start the car without a problem. So that way you can at least make it to the store and get your key fob batteries, so that way you're not stranded. Okay, so I've got the Mustang key fob right here, and what you're going to need to do on the front, there is a button right here that presses. So this will allow you to pull out your key, which would also be helpful if you are actually truly stranded and need to kind of access the manual key. So we're going to go ahead and press this and pull on this to get the manual key out. Once this is out, you can kind of see this is what the fob looks like. If you kind of see up close, there is this notch right here. Alright, so once you get the manual key out, you're going to pry it open. You're going to insert it right here, and then just kind of pull. So you can kind of see it's coming off, and we're going to just work our way. You want to just do it gently so you don't snap the plastic off. So much for plastic not snapping out. It didn't break, but here it is. So once you got that out, this is what your key fob looks like. So you're going to be using CR2450 battery. So once you kind of have this, if you take a look at it, there is notch right here. So you're going to basically, you can use a flathead screwdriver or just use a key and just pull the battery open and you can replace it. We're going to go ahead and use a key to open it. You want to find the thinnest key you've got. The best thing is if you do have a flathead screwdriver, that would be the best preference. And you want to go ahead and open it just like that. So I'm just inserting it right here and then pulling it out. And there it is. So this one's out now. And that's what the fob looks like. So once you get the new battery in, I'll leave a link in the description for a couple of the battery options I recommend. But CR2450 is what you want right here, and this is the original one that came in. So once you want to put it in, you do want to make sure the plus side is on the top, not the other way around. So we're going to go ahead and basically slide this in. It's going to press on it to make sure it's firmly in there. So now you want to go ahead and repeat the process, and basically you've got these two notches, as you can see right here. They're going to go into these two slots right here. We're going to go ahead and put them So you're going to go ahead and press here. You just want to even it out. Make sure it clicks from all the angles. There we go. You want to take your manual key, insert it in the slot again. And that should be it. Your key fob should be as good as new. Let's try it out. Alright, so we got the key fob with the battery now. So we're going to go ahead and try to unlock it. You can see the lights come off. Lock it, it works. So yeah, that's how easy it is to replace the key fob battery on your Mustang. So if your range is falling off or just not working, or your key fob is just not working, you're better off, instead of taking it to the dealer, you're better off just buying some batteries and going and installing it yourself. The batteries are like $5 a pop or something like that, so they're very cheap. I'll leave a link in the description below which ones I've gotten before, and they seem to work just fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you like this video. As always, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.